Welcome back to Auto Car Review. Today we're stepping into the future of BMW's luxury SUV lineup with a deep, professional look at what the next generation 2027 BMW X9 is shaping up to be. This is not just another large SUV. The X9 is expected to represent BMW's most advanced vision of premium mobility, sitting above the X7 and redefining what a flagship BMW SUV means in the late 2020s. From the outside, the 2027 BMW X9 is expected to move away from aggressive excess and toward confident, sculpted elegance. BMW's latest design language is evolving, and the X9 will likely showcase a more refined interpretation of the iconic kidney grille, potentially slimmer, illuminated, and seamlessly integrated into a cleaner front fascia. Expect adaptive LED or next-generation laser lighting with ultra-precise light distribution, giving the SUV a futuristic presence without being overstyled. The body proportions are likely to be longer and wider than the X7, emphasizing road presence and stability, while flush door handles, improved aerodynamics, and active air elements help reduce drag and improve efficiency. At the rear, a wide stance with sleek light bars and subtle chrome or satin accents will reinforce the X9's status as BMW's flagship SUV rather than a performance-focused statement. Step inside, and this is where the 2027 X9 truly separates itself. BMW is expected to push its digital cockpit philosophy even further, blending minimalism with advanced technology. A wide, curved display is likely to dominate the dashboard, integrating the instrument cluster and infotainment into one seamless visual experience. Physical buttons will be reduced, but not eliminated entirely, maintaining BMW's focus on intuitive driver control. Materials will reflect next-generation luxury, with responsibly sourced leather alternatives, open-pore wood, recycled metals, and ambient lighting that adapts to driving modes and time of day. Seating comfort will be a major focus, with multi-contour, massaging seats across multiple rows, advanced climate zoning, and near-silent cabin insulation designed to rival high-end luxury sedans. Under the hood, the 2027 BMW X9 is expected to fully embrace electrification. Traditional internal combustion-only engines are unlikely at this level. Instead, we can realistically expect advanced plug-in hybrid powertrains and possibly a fully electric variant built on BMW's next-generation EV architecture. Hybrid models will likely combine turbocharged six-cylinder engines with powerful electric motors, delivering smooth, instant torque while significantly improving fuel efficiency. Performance expectations remain strong, with refined acceleration rather than raw aggression, focusing on effortless power delivery suited for luxury travel. If an all-electric X9 arrives, it will likely prioritize range, fast charging capability, and quiet, seamless performance rather than extreme horsepower figures. Safety and driver assistance will be another major leap forward. The 2027 X9 is expected to feature an advanced suite of driver assist technologies, including enhanced adaptive cruise control, lane centering, traffic jam assistance, and predictive collision avoidance. BMW's focus will be on supportive automation rather than full autonomy, allowing the vehicle to handle routine driving tasks while keeping the driver engaged and informed. High-resolution cameras, radar, and lidar-based systems may work together to improve accuracy in complex environments, especially at highway speeds and in urban settings. Smart connectivity and AI integration will play a central role in the X9 experience. BMW's next-generation operating system is expected to use artificial intelligence to learn driver preferences, from seat positioning and climate control to navigation habits and media choices. Over-the-air software updates will keep the vehicle current long after